Welcome once again to this discussion. We are looking at this particular maths KCSE revision randomly by picking the questions that give a lot of challenge to the learners. We are going to look at question number 10, and question number 10 is a question that deals with the angles of elevation and depression. That is the angles of elevation and also the angle of depression. The question that we have reads, a boy whose eye level when standing is 1.6 meters stands in front of a building which is 30 meters tall. He observes the top of the building at an angle of elevation of 42.6 degrees. Find the distance between the boy and the building, giving your answer to the nearest meter for you to get 3 marks. The best way to do this question is first by sketching. We have the boy who is 1.6 meters, and this boy observes the top of a building, and the building is actually 30 meters high. The angle of elevation, that is the angle, these are his eyes. So we are going to have the angle of elevation as 42.6 degrees. That means we are supposed to calculate, assuming this is the boy here and this is the building, we are supposed to calculate the distance between the boy and the building, which is going to be denoted by x. In this case now, I can isolate our diagram here. And the diagram we have is going to be equal to, this is the angle of elevation of 42.6, and the height that we are going to use, this is the level of his eyes, and therefore now you take 30 minus 1.6, the height that is going to be used is going to be 28.4. That is 30 minus 1.6, you get 28.4, and the distance we need is x. We know we have been given the angle, and according to the angle we have the opposite and the adjacent, and therefore we are going to use the tangent, that is tan 42.6 will be equal to the opposite, which is 28.4 divided by the adjacent, which is x. And for us to get x, we take 28.4 divided by the tan 42.6, which is going to give us, this one is going to give us 30.88 meters, which is going to be approximately 31 meters to the nearest meter as directed by the question. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel.